As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, structural trusses are one of the most fundamental things of a home. They keep up your roof, right? So when a hurricane comes or any storm, anything that has high wind velocity comes in, you want this structure to stay in place and not fly. Each truss system, when it goes to the end of the wall, it has a clip. That clip holds the uplift pressure. That uplift pressure is calculated by an engineer. So the uplift pressure is basically when a storm comes in, the air comes inside the home, can lift the whole structure up if it's not attached correctly. So that's the number one thing that you want to look for, that the clips are in. It's going to keep everything the way it is. Another important concept that I wanted to mention is shear walls. Not all homes have shear walls on them. This one specifically is designed to have a shear wall in the master bathroom and bedroom. What this is holding everything up, is holding your trusses. There's a footer that we have to dig out a little bit wider. People come to me and say, hey, we want to open up a space in a home. Can we do that? Always check on your structural plans, because the structural plans are going to show which of your walls are shear walls. Something else I want to bring up. Anytime you have an opening, you have a concrete pour inside the block. This has a number 5 rebar inside. It's a fill cell, that's what we call it. It's solid concrete. A lot of people come to me, in already built homes, and they say, oh, I want to widen my opening, I want to make it wider. Problem with that is that you're going to have to cut your structural column of the home, which is basically holding your roof up, to accommodate a wider opening. There's always a structural engineer that I always recommend, and whenever I have projects like this, we have to bring it up to them and to come up with a solution. Never cut out your columns, because they're holding your whole house up. In this specific project, we have what we call a bond beam. So the last 2 cells that you see, the last 2 blocks, they're completely filled all around the house. What that does, it ties everything together. Imagine you have a ring that ties everything at the top, then you have one at the bottom with the slab. So make sure that you check always that your beams are filled whenever you do constructions. So whether you're doing a remodel or you're doing a new construction, reach out to us with any questions you may have so we can guide you in the best way possible. Thank you for watching, and come back to our channel.